So, how's school today?
Fine, you know, my teacher took off 3 points on my grade.
Why?
Because I ate his Twinkie.
Oh.
I was hungry.
So, how's your friend Andy doing?
He's obsessed with 2012, the end of the world, you know? It's kind of weird. And my friend Ernesto, the Mexican one.
Yeah, how's he doing? What happened to him?
He won the debate.
Oh, are you serious? Was it in English or what?
Yeah, I know it's awesome, right?
So, were you expecting me?
No.
Oh my god! Anna! Oh my god, I miss you so much!
Was she out of town or something?
No, she was at work for 2 hours!
No, Star Wars.
Hey, I'm gonna go for some blanket.
Okay.
Oh,
She's awesome, right?
OMG! Did you hear? I'm taking a jump.
Hey? Hey, how are you? No. What happened? So come on here. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Bye. It was Anna.
Hey, I brought some blankets.
Woo! I need to tell you something.
Here's for horses and chickens and fish.
Say it something that you will wish.
3, 2, 1.
Well, your intro jokes are really cute, but I really thought it was just going to be me and you tonight.
It's weird.
No, I get it.
No.
I guess
No.
I'll go to my room now.
No. 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 Tres.
If you really want to hang out with her, it's cool with me, I don't mind.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure? Since it's finally by me, I mean, you can hang out.
Anna!